lecture, we will discuss the very basic concept of resonance. Resonance is defined as the delocalization of pi electrons within a molecule, keeping the position of atom fixed, is known as a resonance. For example, look this benzene structure. In this benzene structure, there are three double bonds, and these pi electrons are continuously delocalizing within a molecule and keeping the position of all atom fixed. So this concept, this delocalization within a molecule is known as resonance. Now look here, the normal carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54 and the normal carbon-carbon double bond length is 1.34. But in benzene, the carbon-carbon double bond length is not 1.34 and the carbon-carbon single bond length is not 1.54. But all bonds, this one, all bonds, all bond length is 1.39. This is 1.39, this is 1.39, this is 1.39. Mean ke the bond length is not actual, but the bond length is shifted in between 1.54 and 1.34. So this indicating the delocalization. Now look here, the double bond in this structure is in between carbon 1 and carbon 2. But in this structure, the double bond, the bond between carbon 1 and carbon 2 is not double but single. So there is a clear delocalization of pi electrons. Now, how this delocalization occur? The environmental energy is sufficient for this delocalization. No catalyst is required. No special experimental condition is required for